All right, guys, welcome back to the garage. Still haven't cleaned this. It's been raining. Got that tropical storm coming in. Alberto, real pain in my butt. But I'll probably do that today. I'm gonna go get a haircut. I'm gonna be driving about 40 minutes to get into Austin. Loyal to my barber. Uh, if you're watching this, that means I finally got a computer to upload all these videos, but I mean, if it's not there, then I still don't have a computer. I'm still working on it. I'm still also trying to get ready for a baby. I don't even know if these videos will come out, but hopefully we get there. And if you're watching it, then that means I did it. And I also hope you all enjoy these videos, because I still don't know what exactly I'm going to be doing, but hopefully it'll be this. Channel name will be called The Garage. Eventually I'm going to epoxy these floors, repaint these walls, get rid of a lot of these things that I don't need, get a new toolbox. Well, no, actually I'll keep that one. No, it's my dad's. Reorganize a lot of these things, get them out of here. But then I'll also be helping out my buddy reorganizing his garage, fix it up, do all sorts of things. But yeah, just want to give you a little update. Just here talking to myself. It's kind of weird, but thank you for taking your time and watching these videos if it comes out. But anyways, have a good day.